Hello. So we've reached our second day of online learning. Hopefully Monday went well for everybody, and we will move on to Tuesday now. As yesterday, you can contact me anytime you need to by emailing me at aolinger@gckschools.com or calling me at this phone number 620-842-8613. My specific office hours are from 9 to 10 and 12 to 1. And you can contact me at any of those times or any other time that you need to. If I don't answer, leave a message and I'll get back to you. So, let's start with what we're doing tomorrow. So, first, I'm going to give you a link to Quizlet vocabulary section. You can see right here, they all have to do with clothes. You don't have to memorize them or too much. You just gotta look at them, acquaint yourself a little bit with the words a couple of times, and then you can go to the Google form. The Google form, you'll find it looks like this. First questions right here is, did you look at the vocab words and the link for the Quizlet? After you go to this link, when you look at the words, see what they are, you can either look down here at the bottom, or you can click here on flashcards and go through the flashcards. Once you're done, come here and click yes. Then we have a little video here for you to watch. Watch the video about clothing, and then you'll have to write the vocab words from the video down here below. After you're done with that, there's another video for you to watch. You'll read it, we'll write a paragraph together, translate it, what we do in class all the time, and then you need to write the paragraph below down here, and then write 3 things that you notice about French grammar that you can teach me after being able to do that. And then we have this question, which did you do, Quizlet Live or Quizlet Match? As we look right here, your class has Quizlet Live at 1 p.m. You're French 2, and so if you want to do that choice, log on to Google Classroom at 12:50. I will post the code, put the code in, join the Quizlet Live. We'll do 3 rounds, and then we'll be done. If by chance you get there at 1 or 2 minutes late and you're not able to log in, go up here again and you can text me at this number, 620-842-8613, and ask me to go back and let you get back in for the next round. Okay, back to this paper right here. When you're done here at the bottom, after you've done either the Quizlet Live with the class at 1 o'clock, or if you've gone to Quizlet and done the match activity for this vocabulary set. When you do the match activity, you must turn in 3 screenshots of 3 different times that you did it. So you'll either do Quizlet Live 3 times with the class, or you will do Quizlet Match 3 times on your own and take a screenshot of the time you had for each one. When you're done, you'll need to draw a picture of your favorite clothing brand and then turn that picture in with your in Google Classroom with your screenshots from Quizlet Match if you didn't do Quizlet Live. Okay, these pictures will be important because we'll be using your picture for tomorrow when we do the Zoom. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I can answer them in an email from my phone number anytime, or from my office hours, whatever you need.